Suspect claim he is rich and I can't see the money.
Suspect, he always farts and blames it on the kids.
That was you.
No.
Suspect now stop shitting in the yard and say the dog. As man in life, suspect shit up.
Better damn shit.
Suspect broke like dog and hungry and a back of his life. Beg me $50 from when I can't pay my feet. One suit of clothes we go 6 weeks now. Think like dog. Green, he young. He arm no smell well.
Why you not saying that?
Suspect wanted this chance on making her just run for a little bit. And then stay back here.
Really? I got the suspect. He always farts and blames it on the kids.
That was you.
No.
Yes, it was.
Suspect always someone having more kids, but always getting overstimulated with the kids we already got. So I thought you love him now.
I got the suspect. I got the suspect. He looks kind of zesty, but when I snap my fingers, he won't be gay anymore.
I was never there.
It worked.
Suspect claim he is rich and I can't see the money.
Kizzy, suspect, how we are up with it?
Suspect claim he's bigger than Andrew Oldness and they make them lock him up.
No, kidnapping, not lock up. How we are up with it? Suspect claims she's the hottest thing on the planet, but me not see it.
Suspect claiming goes about spice and he can't bust himself.
Kizzy, me rich. I mean, suspect claim that her shape and her body is real, but me not see it. Whoa, that things are good.
Suspect say I'm rich and still I beg me gas to go home to come my interview.
Kizzy, can you have to pay me? Suspect claims she's an artist. I don't go Kizzy Fashion TV you know about. Where the sun there? I just Kizzy TV alone? No, sir.
Suspect is really a madman claiming he's a maroon.
Kizzy, madman but in a rich clothes.
Suspect now stop shitting in the yard and say the dog. He's the bro. Ah, we not eat. Come to that. Bro, you're... Easy that. Such a dog. Such a dog.